Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to count the number of files and directories in a path. So first of all, what I've done is I've created my path to my desktop. So this is my desktop path. Your desktop path will be different to this. I've added chdir here, change directory into this path, so we're now in this path. Now I'm going to create a subroutine called count files and folders. So that's your subroutine there. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an array there called items. I'm going to assign that to glob. And then we're going to put our path here with an asterisk. So that's the path that we're looking in. We're going to count the files and the folders in that path, which is the path above. Now I'm going to create a scalar variable, scalar number files, to count the files. I'm going to assign scalar to this. Use the grep for the search. And then we're going to use this F flag here for the files. Then we're going to use this special character here to iterate over them. Nope, that's it. In the items. Okay, so that's going to count the files for us. Now we're going to count the folders or the directories. My scalar number dias. Again, we're going to assign it to scalar grep to search, and then this time we're going to do the D flag, which is for directories. Use the special character to iterate over them, and in this array items where everything is stored. Whoops, made a little bit of an error there. It should be my. Okay, now what we're going to do here is just have a look at. We're going to print out the results. So first of all, it's going to be files. Simply number files, and then a new line character. We're going to print out directories or folders. That scalar number dias. New line character there. Okay. Now all we have to do is call the program, which is count files folders. Save it and run the program. Okay, so there you have it. It says we have 13 files and 16 directories. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? There's a button down there, it's red and white and it doesn't bite. Make sure you hit it, give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.